Take about 1.5 cups of leftover cooked chicken and place it on a cutting board. Use a fork and knife, or clean hands, to shred it into small bite-sized pieces. Set it aside in a bowl. Now take 4 medium Yukon Gold potatoes. Rinse them under running water to remove any dirt. Use a vegetable peeler or a small knife to peel off the skin. Once peeled, rinse them again and cut into smaller chunks so they cook faster. Place the potato chunks in a medium pot. Fill the pot with enough water to fully cover the potatoes. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the water. Place the pot on the stove, turn the heat to high, and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat slightly and cook for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender and soft enough to mash. While the potatoes are boiling, place a small frying pan on another burner. Turn the heat to medium and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add 1/2 small onion, finely chopped, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and fragrant. Now add the shredded chicken into the pan. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, optional for a little kick, and 2 tablespoons of either barbecue sauce or ranch dressing, whichever flavor you're craving tonight. Stir everything together for about 2 minutes until the chicken is warm, saucy, and deeply flavorful. Then turn off the heat. Once your potatoes are soft, drain out the water using a colander or by carefully tilting the pot and holding the lid over the top. Place the hot potatoes into a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a little salt to taste. Use a potato masher or large spoon to mash it all together until smooth and creamy. Let the mashed potatoes cool for about 5 minutes, so it's easier to handle. Now scoop up a heaping spoonful of mashed potatoes, about the size of a golf ball. Gently flatten it in your palm. Place a spoonful of the warm chicken mixture right in the center. Add a small cube or a generous pinch of shredded mozzarella or cheddar cheese on top of the chicken. Now carefully wrap the mashed potato around the filling and roll it gently into a ball. Make sure the filling is sealed inside. Repeat this with the rest of the mixture until you have a batch of perfectly stuffed potato balls. To coat them, prepare 3 bowls, 1 with 1/2 cup flour, 1 with 1 beaten egg. Just crack the egg into the bowl and whisk it with a fork, and 1 with 3/4 cup of panko, or regular breadcrumbs. Dip each loaded potato ball into the flour first, then into the egg, and finally roll it through the breadcrumbs until fully coated and crisp on the outside. Place a frying pan on the stove and add just enough oil to cover the bottom, about 2 tablespoons. Turn the heat to medium, and once the oil is hot, gently place the potato balls into the pan. Don't overcrowd. Let them fry for 3 to 4 minutes, rolling them around to get golden and crispy on all sides. When they're beautifully golden, lift them out and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb excess oil. If you're already thinking about that first bite, now's a great time to click subscribe so you never miss ridiculously good dinner ideas like this one. And if someone in your life always has leftover chicken, share this video with them right now. Let's turn fridge leftovers into something exciting again. While the balls cool slightly, let's throw together a quick crunchy snack. Take 3 corn tortillas or flatbread wraps. Use kitchen scissors or a knife to cut them into triangle chip shapes. Lay them out on a baking tray and brush both sides lightly with oil. Sprinkle with chili powder, onion powder, and a little grated Parmesan cheese or any cheese you like. Optional. Add a few pieces of leftover shredded chicken on top of some chips for extra fun. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes until golden and crisp. Now for a refreshing homemade juice. Peel 2 ripe oranges and remove the seeds. Add the orange segments to a blender with 1 cup of pineapple chunks, fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1.5 cups of cold water. Blend until smooth. If you prefer pulp-free juice, strain it through a fine mesh. Pour over ice and add a mint leaf on top for that extra touch. Now serve everything together. Your golden, crispy, loaded potato balls with a small dipping bowl of ranch, sriracha, and lime juice mixed together. A side of homemade baked tortilla chips, and your fresh pineapple orange cooler to sip on. And there you have it. A full dinner, snack, and drink made from leftover chicken, step by step. No stress, no waste, and every bite bursting with comfort and flavor. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and tell me how yours turned out, and of course, subscribe and share so more people can turn fridge scraps into genius dinners like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next fun food story.